Ready? Start. He submits that much stress has been given on the date of purchase of the property, the area of the property, the place of residence of the landlord, and the area for which the map was submitted by the tenant, and that the rent deed was admittedly executed by the tenant himself, but now it is being contended that even admission of the tenant cannot be looked into full stop. Although challenge to the first assessment was raised, but no documentary evidence to the contrary was given full stop. He further submitted that even if the document is not registered in her statement, the petitioner has admitted that the rent deed was executed by the tenant and she had admitted the contents thereof also full stop. Submission is that in such view of the matter, the same may be seen full stop. Once the first assessment is available on record, the rent deed can be seen to the extent that the tenant came in possession of the shop, which was newly constructed, and his tenancy started from 1st June 1991 only, and even if his admission to the effect to that Act 13 of 1972 is not applicable, at least the fact of date of possession is admitted and its admissibility can be seen to that extent. Full stop. Para. I have considered the rival submissions and have perused the record. Full stop. Para. There is no quarrel with the law cited by learned counsel for the petitioner, but as to whether the courts below have decided against the settled law that has to be tested by this court. Full stop. Para. Perusal of record indicates that concurrent findings have been recorded by both the courts below. Full stop. The date of first assessment is 28/11/1991. Full stop. Although the tenant tried to demolish this document, however, except by trying to draw attention to various other previous documents, including sale deed and the map, the date of first assessment could not be demolished by the tenant. Full stop. Once the first assessment is available on record, it is settled law that it is not the requirement of law to look into other documents that two previous documents, more so the date of possession, which is 1st June 1991, is admitted in the rent deed, can be taken into consideration in the light of affidavit of the tenant, even if the same is not admissible in evidence. Full stop. Admission is the best piece of evidence. Full stop. The first date of assessment being 28/11/1991 and the date of possession there being no documentary evidence to the contrary, no other conclusion as drawn by the courts below, insofar as the applicability of Act 13 of 1972 can be drawn in the present case. Full stop. Para. I have considered the question regarding first date of assessment earlier also in the case of Pramod Kumar versus Shreyas Kumar Jain 2016 1 ARC 460 2016 2 AWC 1704 paragraphs 14, 15, 18 and 19 of which are quoted as under full stop. Para. A perusal of the aforesaid judgment clearly indicates that once the building is subject to assessment, only first date of assessment is relevant unless the date on which completion was reported or otherwise recorded by the local authority having jurisdiction is prior to the date of. Thanks friends watching my video. Like, share and subscribe please.